Grant, what do you think of the national guidelines for room sizes? And I don't know if you know much about how this compares to other countries and say across Europe or in America. Are we? How's our room size? Our guidelines measuring up?
Internationally, I don't know. I know. Do you know, it's a really easy way to look at this is it's generally based on weather. If you live in a warm climate, you can afford to have a bigger room because you don't have to heat the room. If you live in a cold climate, you know, and even when you look at it, it comes down to the detail, the size of windows, the location of windows, etc., etc. Room sizes here, it always sort of interests me in a way, especially when it comes to HMO licensing. They say, oh, for example, a room must be 10 square meters. I can take you a room that's 2 meters wide by 5 meters long, which is 10 square meters, and it's crap. It's, you know, you stick a bed and you can't get anything else into the thing. Or I can take you a room which is 3.3 by, well, it's actually closer to around about 4 by 2.5 is a good proportion. So actually room proportion is a more important thing to understand than actual just room size. You can't just read it off a table and go, that needs to be, but I understand that if we don't put a number on it, then everybody will be living in a wardrobe, sleeping upright sort of thing. So I think one of the things, and this is a tip that I can give people, if you're using a design team, ask them to show the furniture on the floor plan. Some house builders in the 90s were very, very guilty of this, of putting up a new build 3-bed house, and you couldn't get a bed into the 3rd bedroom.
I see.
So this is a hard and fast tip, and I do this with all our clients, is show the furniture on the designs. Show them where a bed's going to go, because you know, you get a 3-bed house built, you can't get a bed into the 3rd bedroom. It's not a bedroom. You know?
Yeah, that's a great tip.
Yeah.